So the second new technology that I found is Be Internet Awesome, and I was actually really excited when I found this. This is specifically targeted towards digital citizenship. It was awarded the ISTE seal of approval. It is specifically geared to model digital citizenship and cultivate responsible online behavior. So I highlighted those standards there. So without further ado, so this is by Google. So of course, lots of integration with Google Classroom, and one of the really neat things is it has a free downloadable curriculum that I'll show you in just a second, but also what you're watching right here is this Be Internet Awesome's gameplay. It's called Interland, and at the end of each digital lesson, it has a playable game where you practice those digital citizenship skills, whether it be securing information from hackers or fighting bullies by spreading kindness. It's just, again, a way to practice those skills. So here's, again, this ISTE seal of alignment. Lots of free things for educators, just really geared towards that responsible digital citizenship. And here, again, I'll show you this free curriculum, how to teach it. It's the resources, the grades it aligns to, media literacy, social emotional learning, and it even includes things like vocabulary activities. It includes all of the necessary resources that you need included in this free downloadable PDF. So going back to Be Internet Awesome, there are also some additional like Pear Deck, printable activities, just really great things, and again, all free. Let me see if I can get us to the Interland interface so you guys can see that. And so this is the gameplay piece to it that students get to practice those citizenship skills in. And there are these little robots, our little quest guy here. And so Interland is a series of islands where where each island has a different citizenship skill. So Tower of Treasure, this is you're fighting against a hacker and you're trying to secure your information. Kind Kingdom, where you're combating bullies and cyberbullying and you're spreading kindness. Reality River, this is where you are using that digital literacy where you're deciding, is this misinformation or is this real information? And then Mindful Mountain, again, just that is what you are sharing out. Is it kind? Is it true? So just really great gameplay choices.